are walking between another pine forest, which very much reminds me of those long 6 days crossing Les Landes in southern France. This one's a little bit smaller, but still a fair few kilometres. It's bitterly, bitterly cold. Bitterly cold. I think I'm about 1,000 metres up here, just to prove that although there's a blue sky up there and there's sunshine over there, and you can't feel the temperature on this video, here is some water which is very much frozen over up here in sunny old Spain. Well, it is sunny, bright and clear, but oh, the wind is so bitter. And yeah, there's another. You see how quite frozen this water is. We had some rainfall, fairly heavy rainfall the other day. The last couple of days it's been clear, but yes, the temperature has dropped. And up here, as you can see, it's frozen. And the water isn't the only thing that's frozen. So are all my extremities, particularly my hands. Anyway, I'm looking forward to getting off this hillside, getting down into Arges, and just going straight into a warm bed for at least an hour. I have never felt so in need of siesta. Oh, just lie down. Anyway, a few long kilometres to go yet.